In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background in Synthesia. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch a scene's background to a solid color, a piece of stock media, or your own custom image or video, all without breaking your flow inside the editor. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Synthesia. In the results, click the official website so you land on the correct platform. On the home page, choose Log In and sign in to your account. Once you're in, open the project or video you want to work on, and make sure it's loaded in the Synthesia editor. You should see your canvas in the center, your timeline or scenes on the side, and property panels where you'll adjust settings. To access background controls for the current scene, click on an empty area of the canvas to deselect everything. This is important because when nothing is selected, the scene settings appear, and that's where the background options live. If you select an element like text or an avatar, you'll only see that element's settings, so a quick click on empty space is the fastest way to switch to the scene level panel. Now let's choose the type of background you want. If you prefer a clean, minimal look, pick solid color. You can type in a hex code if you already have brand colors, or use the color picker to find the right shade. Consider contrast. Darker backgrounds make light text and avatars stand out, while lighter backgrounds feel airy but need bold text for readability. If gradients are available, keep them subtle and set the angle so the focus stays behind your on-screen subject, not in the corners. If you want something more dynamic, browse the built-in stock media library. Use search terms like office, abstract, or technology to find professional images and loopable video clips. Preview a few and watch for motion that's too busy, which can draw attention away from your message. Textured or softly animated clips work great as backdrops. They add depth without stealing the show. Finally, if you have your own asset, go to Media and select Upload. Choose a high-resolution landscape image or video for best results, and make sure you have the rights to use it. After it's uploaded, apply it to the scene and adjust the scale or crop so important details aren't cut off. Play the scene to confirm everything looks balanced. If it doesn't feel right, just click the empty canvas again and switch to a different source. That's it. Your background is set and your scene is ready to shine.